Hi y'all, and welcome back to another video. So today I'm making a video specifically for my candle makers out there, and this is a video on how I make my wax bins. So you may have seen this around some other candle makers videos where they just have like a bin kind of full of wax, and I wanted to make my own. And the stuff I used for this was actually pretty simple. I just kind of DIY'd it to my own idea on what I thought other people might have used. So if you want to learn how I made this wax bin, stay tuned. Alright, so first starting off, I actually used one of my Candle Science boxes to make my bin of wax. So I ordered quite a bit of stuff, so the box they shipped in was pretty big. Of course, you don't have to use specifically a Candle Science box. If you have any just old box or just big bin laying around, you can use that, but I just thought that this box was like really big and just the perfect size to use it. So here you can see I just emptied all my stuff out from the order, and I'm just clearing out the packaging peanuts. I reuse these packaging peanuts because I don't find any sense in throwing them away when I can just reuse them. So I just put them into another bag in the back, which you can see right there, and I just store them away for me to use or for me to reuse. So here I have my Candle Science box, and right now I'm just going to take some duct tapes and I'm going to tape down all the flaps of the box. You could also just cut them off, but I don't know, I didn't really want to take the time to cut the cardboard, so I'm just duct taping down each side of the box. After I finished taping down all sides of my box, I went to go grab myself a trash bag. You want to make sure that your trash bag is large enough to go inside your box and hang over the edge. As you can see here, my trash bag fits all around. And now I'm going to just begin to fill it up with my bags of wax. Here you can see me pouring in all of my wax into this box. It holds a ton of wax, and you can literally adjust it to whatever size box you want. So if you want it to hold a smaller amount of wax, you can use a smaller box, or if you want it to hold largest amounts, you can use like a really larger bin. But this is what I used, and it's working perfectly for me, and it literally took just a trash bag and a box and some duct tape, and it was super simple and I love it. I really hope this video helped. If it did, maybe like the video, and thank you so much. Bye.